Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be across the job over your master.
Cross this TV. Have a buzz. When I ask Christ. Cross this TV just buzzy so.
I know you want me fuck you now. Yeah? And put two more on it.
Very well fuck me long time.
Yeah, but that fuck you say that woman. Yeah, woman, if you fuck you, yeah, woman.
I know what I'm saying. You ever fuck you know you boy, you are no man.
The fuck you know your woman make you some good fuck, and like a man can't fuck you good, that's your timing, so.
I like you I can't fuck.
You want me come drop the anchor in your ocean?
Your ocean.
So that again, Barry, me never hear. Yeah, come and drop the anchor in your ocean.
You know, across the TV, I put puppet palm blood clot me with them at worry. Across the TV, bishop yourself.
Galleon.
You can't just like a cat.
Barry, me don't want you fuck me. I want to shit landing on my damn pussy and can't come out.
Me not have no shit by my cocky. Me love anything shit up. Must your pussy shit up. Yeah, clean. Me not walk with shit by my cocky. Me love. Me not put my cocky in a bottom.
Alright, so then you can come take your anchor fling down in my shit.
My cocky not gonna bottom there. If your cocky going to all of the best cocky that gift in your life, in the entire life, the best cock.
I get some nice cocky from my man when I do it right now. I don't know if I can get better than that.
Alright, I'm like to live cocky. America, you there?
Yeah, Florida.
I'll be at America next year, so I can link up and give a fuck.
Jesus Christ, you have to go pay me.
I'll make my money, we can pay you, of course.
Okay. You have to go pay me for that. Yeah. Never go take the IG team.
What? You have to do what?
I'm going to take one for the IG team. I'm going to take the for the whole team part.
Take off for the IG team. Me, I'm going to
people. Master Berry could stand up the blood crack.
laugh at the team, like a young man. Laugh at how you go, I know you want the fuck.
Why? Me say people.
People.
Blood clot is it?
No, you're brighty. Don't put no dead for my cocky. My cocky can't dead.
A joke.
You're crazy. Your cocky is powerful, no blood clot and full of talent.
Say your cocky can't dance itself. Hi, Lynn. How are you?
Hey, let me know one can't call me girl me fuck already. Me can tell her the cocky is powerful.
Oh.
I say, B, tell them what the cocky is bad. Oh.
When you say your cocky coming like a button.
Let me drop this in your system in your blood until Jesus can't find your birthright.
Jesus.
Oh. I just love me cocky for them, Barry.
Where you come from? Ex-husband come from?
Flanker?
Mm-hmm.
Flanker, my banana girl.
Very, you probably know him.
No, call name by you know.
Me call him stinking name of my husband.
No, call name by coming out. Inform if he dead. Anyway, me love call name by cause I pussy me, I fuck more, I fuck you. That we are talking about.
Why do you want to fuck me? We go pop my live yesterday. Me hear the girl and I say, "Oh, Cashqueen sexy man, fuck her." And the other girl say, "You want everybody? That's my bitch." And then no, me over here, Batman want to fuck me. I'm gonna fuck this.
We are talking about Edgar. Watch your mouth, you brighty.
So now you say yeah, Batman, and you tell me so.
Me tell me all Batman. Don't come back up man thing. You move so.
All right then.
Don't back up me thing. Don't do that.
Okay.
What the back said no.
So you did love boys, but you not love boy again. So Chewy did love boy, and him want Cashqueen turning back.
Me never love no boy. Anybody, me tell you, me never love no boy. No boy. Never left no boy.
You know, so you did tell me this, say you love woman still and you take care of woman. You did tell me about one girl where you and I did there one time.
Yes. I love no boy. Me talk to me, so did talk to boy, I never love them. Me beat out them blood clot and cause be a problem coming off comfortable.
So let me ask you a question. It was just like a sexual thing, like you just horny them with it?
No sexual thing, I devil.
You can get the best of you.
I mean, the young lady, I hope you me, but God save me.
God save you. Thank you, Jesus.
I'm going to rest the planka down in your Willy Wonka.
Oh, Jesus. You want plank out my wall?
No, I'm going to plunge out your wall.
Jeez. No, you don't need none to come out. But plunger. You're too out harder. Don't plunge out my. If I don't want me batty your thing, don't put me no blood clot plunger. No need to come out in here, but nothing slap pottery. That's it. When you sneak up this
Love a
way,
quarter, they come back.
out my nice clean